with Ampac for 10 years now, using their products. FireFinder PLUS, I think, ticks all of the boxes. There's nothing really that you can't do with a FireFinder PLUS. Things like adding a conventional board to run 8 conventional zones, but also have loops running on the side, so you can make a hybrid system. You can run expander stuff from them easily. And the ease of programming. We don't have any problems at all with the programming side of things. We can give our clients what they want.